Take a ride in the 2013 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, cargo area light, trip odometer, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.